There's a lot of water.
Jeez.
Anytime before we go.
Oh yeah. I got your back. I got your back. Oh, I'm not scared. All right, before.
So let's try moving it. This is the Johnson bar, that's forward, reverse. Try going back and forth with it. It takes a little bit of effort to do.
Question.
Huh?
You're looping?
Yeah, right now we're just going to go back and forth. So with the hand on the
Right after this, you're going to go.
And we're going back and forth, then we're going to go up around the loop.
Okay, back and forth to where?
Back and forth. Now what we're going to do, we're just going to come down here and have a series of fly and release like that. So we can keep our speed really down.
Okay.
We're going to drift into the car and couple up.
Okay.
If I think we're going too fast, I'll be sitting here with this and stop it.
Okay.
So don't worry about that.
Okay.
And I got to be out here looking, so
Okay.
listen to me. Apply, release, apply, release.
You got
Okay?
it.
One little pull on the throttle and then put it all the way back in to get it started. Get all the way into the throttle. Apply, release. Apply, release. You got a really good hand on it. A little more throttle. A little more throttle. On and off. And again, in with the throttle. Apply, release. Apply, apply, release. Apply, release. Apply. Release. Release all the way. Okay, we're going to do a pin check now, so we're going to make sure that the pin drops and the couple you're hooked up.
Okay.
So go full forward for a minute. And then 2 2. We're going to do just enough throttle till it stretches out. So pull on the throttle and I'll tell you when to stop.
Okay.
Go ahead. Johnson bar straight up and down. That was really nice. Johnson bar straight up and down. Hey, do I teach him how to couple good or not, huh? You'll notice it tends to take off a little bit more with all that weight back there. That caboose is a steel frame caboose, so it's pretty heavy.